This is one of the restaurants that is arguably still new in the city of Makassar. Soto Ayam Lamongan Cakhar, which is located on Lamadukeleng Street, Makassar District, Makassar City, South Sulawesi. Now it's 7:30 p.m. We ordered food according to each other's taste. As for the menu, including Soto Lamongan, chicken breast, chicken steaks, chicken skin, or you can mix it up. Soto Lamongan Cakhar is served with hot white rice and there are also crackers provided. To make it more delicious, you can add chili sauce and lime. The taste of the soto is getting more delicious and delicious. For the drinks, we ordered boba love coffee. Good luck! Remember to like, share, comments, and subscribe to Andi Ratu Anzo's YouTube channel. See you later!